When it comes to Printful, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before buying. If you're considering using Printful for your business or personal projects, it's crucial to know how it stacks up against competitors like Printify or Teespring, and whether it truly delivers value for what you're paying. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal how you can try Printful for free and get some exclusive perks you won't want to miss. So, let's dive right in. First, one of the main things to consider is the concise cost structure. Printful can be a bit more expensive compared to some alternatives, especially when you're working with custom designs and products. For example, Printify might offer cheaper base costs for certain items, but Printful's advantage is in the quality control. Printful has a reputation for having higher quality prints and more consistent results, especially when it comes to apparel. Their products often feel premium, and their prints are sharp and long-lasting, which could be a deciding factor for your business if you're focusing on offering high-end merchandise. Next, let's talk about product selection. Printful offers a wide range of products, from apparel to accessories and home decor, and their catalog is regularly updated with new items. But the real kicker here is customization. Printful allows you to create truly unique products with your design, which might give you an edge over competitors who offer more limited customization. But it's worth noting that their product selection can still feel somewhat smaller compared to other platforms like Printify, which offers more variety at times. The third thing to consider is integrations. Printful integrates seamlessly with major platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and more, making it a great choice for anyone looking to set up an online store. However, Printful can be a bit tricky to set up for beginners compared to some alternatives. If you're just starting out, you might find Printify's user interface easier to navigate. But once you get used to Printful's setup, the integration with Shopify or Etsy becomes incredibly smooth, allowing you to focus on your designs and sales rather than tech issues. The fourth thing you should know is shipping times and costs. Printful offers global fulfillment, which is a big plus for businesses with an international customer base. However, depending on your location and the product being shipped, shipping costs can be on the pricier side. Printful does have a solid reputation for fast shipping, especially within the US, but international customers might experience longer wait times, which is something to keep in mind when comparing it to other services that may have faster fulfillment centers closer to your target market. Next, branding options are a standout feature with Printful. Unlike some competitors, Printful offers branded packing inserts, packing slips, and even custom labels for your products. This is perfect if you want to create a unique unboxing experience for your customers. Printify does offer custom branding options as well, but Printful's process feels more polished, and it can be a great way to add a personal touch to your brand. The sixth thing you need to know is about customer service. Printful's customer support is generally well regarded in the industry. They offer 24/7 support through chat, email, and phone, and they're quick to respond. However, as with any platform, experiences can vary, and during high volume times, response times may be slower. Printify's customer service, on the other hand, can sometimes be hit or miss, with longer response times reported, especially for complex issues. So, Printful might have the edge if you're looking for more reliable support. Lastly, you'll want to keep in mind the design tools that Printful offers. Their built-in design tool is easy to use, making it simple to upload your designs and apply them to various products. However, if you're a seasoned designer, you might prefer using external software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, and then uploading your designs to Printful. Printful's design tool is great for beginners, but may not offer the depth of customization that some pro-level designers need. But for most people starting out, it's a solid and user-friendly choice. So, to sum it up, Printful is an excellent option if you're looking for high-quality products, good integrations, and great branding options, even if it does come with a slightly higher price tag. If you want to try out Printful for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for the software and enjoy some exclusive benefits. And there you have it, everything you need to know before jumping into Printful. Make sure you take advantage of the trial and see if it's the right fit for your business.